What is going on, guys? I just want to give you a little quick update about my PC build. So earlier today, I was trying to build a PC, get the parts for it. I was trying to buy this cooler, and it has the Infinity Ring by NZXT. So about this thing is that all over Amazon the prices are extremely high. I can show you here on the screen that it was like $250, $300, even up to $600, and then the fucking website has it only for like $160, $150, after tax probably $170 or something like that. Some really low compared to the Amazon prices. And like went on Amazon, scrolling down, and I found it for like $150, $160-ish, whatever. And then after taxes, for some reason it was like a $40 tax, and I'm trying to figure out like, okay, I mean it's cheaper than the ones it was listed before. I immediately purchased it. Turns out it's coming from UK. Yes, United Kingdom. And I'm over here, it's been like 2 weeks. Crazy. Yeah, I'm not sure whether it's weight because it's cheap price, because it's just $200. So check this out, man. So you see that, right? But then when I click here, it's $249. But when I click here, it's the same fucking fan, and whoever this fucker is selling it for $353. Right here. Oh, see, look, $160 right here. And then you feel me? I saw it right here, and then that's stupid because I immediately clicked on that, and then that's how I got it. I just want to share that post, share the story, because I eventually canceled it. Went on Newegg, so there's other resources or other websites you go on, and then I purchased a better one, the upgrade version, where you can put a GIF on it. It's called the Z73. On the cooler itself, you could upload a GIF onto the cooler, and you can do whatever you want. So you can just custom make it, put your name, you can put like a small meme, things of that nature. And what's crazy enough, on Newegg, the one with a GIF, which is like $300 versus in total it was $304, $305 at the time of the recording, and then the one that I wanted was $302. So get the upgrade or get the lesser version. Try to save $3. I got the upgrade. So just want to share that with you guys. If you guys are building a PC, let me know in the comments below. Like I said before, like this video, push that subscribe button. Another mistake that I did, per se, is that along this PC build, let me bring this out. I bought two monitors, right? I think it's like 24 or 25 inches. My dumbass totally forgot that it comes with DisplayPort cables. In my head, I was like, let me find around the house. Couldn't find any. I immediately jumped on Amazon and got these two. Read the reviews. Need to remind you, reading is fundamental. Please read. Read the reviews. Read the description, because don't assume that they don't have it, because that was my mistake. So again, I bought these two DisplayPort cables. At first I thought they were better, but no. The ones I actually come with are 10 times better than these ones. Even though these are only like $15 a pop, I would rather use the ones that came with my monitor. So yeah, guys, if you guys are building a PC, leave a comment below, and I'll see you next time.